cutting for my mom. I brought it with me from California in this bag. It's been a week and I still haven't taken it out. It looks good. This, I haven't even once wet this. It's been wet this whole time. Just laying in a bag. Awesome. I'm gonna plant it. Okay, there it is. I think it's golden pothos. I thought only the Brazil does this, or it reminds me of a Brazil, but maybe it's a neon pothos. I'll look it up. I have this, which usually I take the tabs off immediately. It's the cutest. Little scalloped edge. And it comes with a little there. And it has soil. And I'm just gonna add water. Should have brought a spoon. This is just a cactus soil. Probably a little too much water, but anyway, I'm gonna put that in there. Water's already running out. Okay. And this is where she cut it, right there. So that's what needs to go in the ground. Thanks, Mom. This is a really nice cutting. I could put it in water and wait until it roots, but I'm going to just try this. See what happens. Actually, it's kind of weird. Might have to go sideways. Hopefully that works. Oops. Okay. It's not pretty. Not a pretty process. Okay. It's so dirty. So I just covered the middle of it with soil and pushed it down. And I'll clean all that off, but I think it looks cute. I never thought I would be spraying a plant, spending time cleaning a plant with a spray bottle. I'll clean. Thanks, Mom.